Hi everyone, I'm Tianzhen Hong, a senior scientist with Lawrence Berkeley National Lab. This is my power talk. I'm going to share a tool called CityBES we've been developing for the last couple of years to support the city scale, building energy modeling and analysis. So with more US cities, sign up for ready for 100 or 80 by 50 energy and environmental goals, cities are facing challenges of, how to get there. So buildings is the sector that consumes from 30 to 70% of energy in US cities. So this is definitely, a very critical opportunity. So CityBES, the screen capture basically shows it's a web-based GIS integrated, modeling, simulation, and visualization platform. So the 3D bar represent buildings, and it can be color coded by different performance metric. So CityBES provides, a few energy modeling and analysis features for cities, including energy retrofit analysis. We try to answer how to reduce, for example, the building stock energy use by half. What are the technologies? What are the costs? What are the benefits? And it also provides energy benchmarking or comparing a group of buildings with another. It evaluates the potential of renewable energy, like PV. It evaluates whether district energy systems are cost effective for a group of buildings. Recently, we also added a feature to model the heat resilience, during the heat wave. And so the first step is to develop a data set of buildings for CityBES to use. And we already have 1,000 US cities have such data, but if your city is not there, then we have a process to help you create the data. Basically, we aggregate cities' open data from different departments. So the data include building footprint, land use, assessors records, energy disclosure. Those basically have the annual energy use. We aggregate, integrate the data, standardize the terms using a data dictionary called BES, and then transfer data in different formats to support different applications. CityGML is an international open standard, which is getting used by more and more applications. So two examples I'm going to give you to show how CityBES can be used. First one is about evaluation of the general energy potential of building stock. So we look at this wind chill district in Fresno, which is a disadvantaged communities. So this district has about 1,300 residential buildings. Particularly, we're interested in looking at how the listed 6 technologies were performed. So these are typical retrofit measures, including lighting retrofit to LED, heat pump water heaters, heat pump heating and cooling system, and installation to roof, to walls, and apply window frames. So the result highlights that most of the buildings, like 75%, can have energy savings of more than 50%. And also, these buildings only need like about 35% of roof area to get to ZNE. So it's feasible. The second example is about heat resilience modeling. So again, we're looking at another neighborhood in Fresno. This is a Kings neighborhood, which is about 1,000 single-family, multi-family homes. And we're looking at a heat wave event in 2006. So in July, it's 5 days with the daily maximum temperature more than 44 degrees Celsius. So we're looking at a suite of passive measures, which are basically technology that still function, without power. So the result highlight, 2 things. One is, even when the power is on, the cooling equipment may not have capacity to handle the cooling load during heat wave. And so the second key point is, when the power is off, the indoor temperature can rise as high as 45 degrees Celsius, which is pose a dangerous risk, to the residents. So measures like cool roof, apply window frames to reduce solar heat gain, cool walls, and window shading. These are effective in reducing the indoor heat risk. So the second one is the heat vulnerability mapping at a city level. So we compile cities' data sources and looking at the census tract label, try to map the 3 key factors of the heat vulnerability, including exposure, sensitivity, and adaptation. So these can help cities to prioritize their limited resource if there's a heat wave hit the city. So they need to know what are the neighborhood that may have a high risk and they would need help. So these are examples of CityBES. You're welcome to our website, to find more information or try it on your own. Thank you.